We are extremely happy to present the success story of Lions Club of Dahod City, Gujarat, India. The geographical location of Dahod, located on extreme eastern part of Gujarat, touching the borders of two states, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. With the help of LCIF grant, Blind Welfare Council, Dahod started with Lions Divyang Vocational Center for the disabled.
Myself, MJF Lion Yusufi Kapadia, Charter President, Lions Club Dahod City. We started Lions Vocational Training Center, grant of LCIF.
Opening ceremony by past International Director Lion Aruna Oswal and other team members of Lions Club. All team members visited different units of Vocational Training Center like Braille Printing Unit, Offset Printing Unit, Paper Cutting, Stitching and Tailoring, Carpentry and Computer Unit. Doormats making by a blind person, handicraft and decorative articles making, strip bed making, rope bed making, which is called khatlo in local language. Computer Training Center, computer designing by a person with hearing impairment, cloth cutting, stitching training to ladies with locomotor disabilities, file flipping and punching. Leather bag making, carpentry training unit, paper dish making, candle making, printed notepads, cloth stitching of files, and screen printing. LCIF international officers on visit. They visited all units of the Vocational Training Center. Swing jula making by girls with hearing impairment. Visit of past District Governor Lion Jayesh Dalal.
Now we see the real-time video, which is the present situation at Blind Welfare Council, Dahod. The present unit is a designing unit by a hearing impaired person, Mr. Dhaval. Now you see the paper dish making unit, which is operated by children and adults with multiple disabilities, intellectual disabilities and locomotor disabilities. The screen printing work unit is being managed and done by the persons with locomotor disabilities. This special room is for stitching, training and handicraft making, where special ladies who are with locomotor disabilities are trained and they are helped to earn their livelihood. These are some beautiful handicrafts made by these ladies. Now you see is the carpentry unit, where a person with locomotor disability who is been affected by polio is being trained and is able to make the carpentry work.
She is Safura Panwala from Santrampur. She is affected by polio and had problem in walking. In Lions Vocational Training Center, she learned computer operating and tailoring work. Now she works here as a teacher. She trained many ladies in stitching and tailoring in this center who are now earning for their livelihood. She is very thankful to Blind Welfare Council and Lions Club.
મારું નામ નીનામા બસુ.
He is Bachu Nimama, working in screen printing department of Lions Vocational Training Center. He is suffering from polio and have difficulty in walking. He had taken training in this center earlier and now he is working here and train others. He can now fulfill his household expenses from the salary earned and also get lodging and boarding at the center. Thankful to Blind Welfare Council and Lions Club. These are some famous sites of Dahood. We welcome all Lion members to visit our Lions project in Dahood. Blind Welfare Council Dahood is doing great job for training and rehabilitation of persons with disabilities. We urge all line members and LCIF to support this organization and help them to construct a building or vocational training center for the disabled. If a building is constructed, this organization can work in a far better way for the benefit of the disabled in this area. Thank you.